How to reset Launchpad layout on Mac. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset the Launchpad layout on your Mac and restore the default app arrangement. First, open Finder and click Go in the menu bar. Select Utilities, then open Terminal. Now, enter the command to reset Launchpad. Defaults write com.apple.doc reset launchpad -bool true kill all dock and press return. Your Mac will restart the dock automatically and Launchpad should return to its default layout. Keep in mind that resetting Launchpad can rearrange your apps, so you may need to organize them again afterward. This method is useful if your Launchpad layout has become disorganized or you simply want to start fresh. Once the dock restarts, open Launchpad to check the new arrangement. And that's how to reset the Launchpad layout on your Mac. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials.